Locomotive-hauled trains are very hard to come by in the United Kingdom. We only have 4 instances of locomotive-hauled services. These are Class 91s, Transport for Wales Class 67s, Chiltern Class 68s like this, and then the ScotRail high-speed trains. But did you know that you can ride a locomotive-hauled train in Oyster zones, meaning you can travel with an Oyster Card on a locomotive-hauled train? Today, I'm going to show you how you can do this.
Customers off the train first.
I find myself at London Marylebone, London's best terminus. First, to ride this train, we need to get on a Class 165 diesel multiple unit to get to West Ruislip. West Ruislip is the last station in the London Oyster Zone on Chiltern Railways. But obviously, Chiltern stopping patterns had to make life difficult. This train doesn't even go to West Ruislip. First, we've got to go to South Ruislip. Now, one thing before I explain a bit more about Chiltern 68 sets. If you are enjoying this video, I'd massively appreciate it if you liked, and even better, hyped it. If you don't know what hyping a video is, it's a pretty new feature on YouTube just for small creators like me, where the viewer can give some hype points, and this massively pushes my video's popularity. Last week's video on my UK-wide map got over 400,000 hype points, making it the 20th most hyped video in the UK, so a massive thanks for this, and now there's no reason not to hype this video. Mark 5A coaching sets were brought in the start of 2026 to replace the previous Mark 3 carriages that had operated on Chiltern Railways as long-distance services between London Marylebone, Banbury, Birmingham and Stourbridge between 2010 and 2026. Currently, Chiltern has 4 Explorer sets, each made up of a Class 68 and 5 carriages, with a driving trailer at the other end. The carriage closest to the locomotive is first class, where you can pay a £20 supplement for a bigger seat. At present, these trains operate select services on the Chiltern Railways network, with 3 sets operating on Mondays and Fridays, 4 on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays, and then 1 on Saturdays and Sundays. On weekday mornings, there are 2 Birmingham to London services departing Birmingham Moor Street at 05:45 and 08:15. On weekday evenings, there are 2 services from Marylebone to Birmingham, departing at 16:37 and 18:37. They both continue on to Stourbridge Junction. These have more varied stopping patterns than the morning services. Tuesday to Thursday also sees 2 more morning services towards Marylebone and 1 additional evening service heading out of London. In the morning, 1 service departs Princes Risborough at 07:21 and calls at High Wycombe and Beaconsfield en route, and then another service departs Gerrards Cross at 08:26, calling at Denham and West Ruislip. In the evenings, there's also an additional service, which departs Marylebone at 17:37, calling at High Wycombe and Princes Risborough only. And now we're at South Ruislip, but for today, this is the wrong Ruislip. Now we've made it to West Ruislip, which is the end of the Central Line and the end of the Oyster Card zone. Now we have 15 minutes until our train back to London arrives. The service we're taking today is 2 Hotel 16 that runs from just outside London at Gerrards Cross to London Marylebone. This service is 28 minutes end to end, which makes it the shortest locomotive-hauled service in the whole of the UK. But today we're only doing the 18-minute stretch from West Ruislip to London Marylebone, which is entirely in Oyster Card zones, meaning that I'm paying with my Oyster Card for this journey. And if you want to know how much it cost me £5.90. However, this isn't the cheapest journey that you can do on a Class 68 with Chiltern Railways. In fact, that journey is between Birmingham Snow Hill and Birmingham Moor Street. That costs just £3.10, and it's a 2-minute stretch, so it's quite expensive per mile if you do the maths. We find ourselves on probably the noisiest train in London. is the Chiltern Explorer set. You've got a Class 68 locomotive behind us. As you know, I'm not the biggest fan of these CAF trains. You can really feel it rattling. It's a signature CAF, right quality. CAF, right? Yeah. Take two. I presume first class is declassified on this, so it is the luxurious train in London, in my opinion, in second class. And now we're speeding towards London Marylebone. We're non-stop, so the first stop is the last stop. So let's have a tour of the first class on the Mark V. You have a massive table, beautiful. It's light, big seat with a nice headrest. This is all second class price, by the way, on Oyster. Probably the nicest train you can get on Oyster Card. Big armrest, and then my favourite feature, if you look down, you can see the carpet. That looks awfully a lot like the Trans-Pennine Express carpet. Oh wait, it is the Trans-Pennine Express carpet. We're back at London Marylebone. The 14-mile stretch took just 18 minutes, and we did it in first class. We didn't pay anything extra than the £5.90 Oyster fare for it. So that's the only locomotive-hauled service you can ride when using an Oyster Card. This service runs 3 days a week, on a Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday morning, so don't try doing this on a Monday, Friday or the weekend. But that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you know a bit more about the Chiltern Railways Explorer set operation, and rumour has it, in December, Chiltern will have received a few more Explorer sets, so by then, the diagrams might have changed. If that's the case, I'll do another video on it, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed it, now would be a good time to hype the video, give it a like and a comment, as well as subscribing to my channel if you enjoy this sort of content.